to another video. So I'm here with an all neon look that does not require you to blend, so make sure you guys go ahead and continue to watch. I'm using my Milani concealer in the number 155. It is my skin tone, as you can see. I use this Hourglass translucent powder, the Veil translucent powder, and just set my entire eye. So I'm jumping right into cutting my crease. I'm using the same, I need some more products. I really don't, but I do. I'm using the same Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in F1. For this color, or for this look, it's best to use a lighter concealer because we're working with very bright colors, a very bright color. So you want to make sure your base isn't too dry because then your color won't stick. So make sure it's still a little sticky. If you have to go on and just pat some more on top, do that, but don't use too much. The only items I'm missing from my makeup collection is the P. Louise bases. Like, I want all of them. The Acid Rain collection, like all of them, every single last color. I'm going to take my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm taking the neon yellow or green. I think it's green. And I'm packing that all over my lid. I'm going to take the neon pigment. I'm using the yellow one, of course. And I'm going to pack that. Well, not pack. I'm going to use a blending brush like this. It's kind of fluffy. I found that using brushes like this prevent my pigment from going on patchy. So I'm using a brush like this, and I'm just going to dip into the color and then tap the extra off and just go over my entire lid. Now I'm taking my neon glitter stacker. I'm taking the yellow as well. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my wing. So while I'm letting my lash glue get tacky, I'm going to go ahead and do my face. I'm not going to go into detail though because I just uploaded the foundation routine not too long ago. So I'm going to link that on the screen somewhere if you guys want to see how I do my face. Alright, you guys, so that completes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this look, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed for my videos. I will see you in my next one.